Hey everyone! Welcome to Travel Therapy Guide's 5-minute or less video tutorials. Today I'm going to be talking about what to ask your potential travel companies and recruiters. Put them in the hot seat. So, the first thing you want to do before I go over all these steps is make your own personal list of the things you really need from a company. Because even though this list is pretty comprehensive, I'm not your family member. I have specific needs. So add those specific needs into the list I'm about to give you of questions. So when you talk to the company, you're going to be speaking with a recruiter right away. So these are questions you're going to be asking the recruiter about themselves and the company in general. So first are the company characteristics. What makes your company different than the others? Why do travelers like your company versus other companies? What do they enjoy about your company? What are some of the things that are making travelers happy and stay with your company? How big is your company? What services do you offer or can you offer? What's the typical salary range for my profession that you provide? And then what are the different locations and settings that you provide? Then secondly, you want to start asking them about the benefits, and that includes standard benefits and then unique benefits. So you want to ask them, does your company provide professional liability, medical insurance, vision, dental insurance, disability insurance, workers' compensation, a 401k plan and matching program, tuition reimbursement program, CU reimbursement programs, any bonuses, like do they give bonuses for signing on, for renewing, for extending positions, any incentive programs like points for something, like points for vacations or points for like I said before, cell phones, or just any little extra bonuses. And then another key one is, do you have any housing programs or assistances? So does your company, when you go to assignments, do they have connections with travel locations and housing locations? Because that's going to really help you. That is the list of questions. I'm going to make a PDF in this group where you can get this list. You can also read more at debtfreept.com or get my complete guide that has the list in addition to tons of other lists and questions and interview samples for you to really grill your travel company. But once again, in addition to all these questions, you want to ask your own person-specific questions, anything that your family needs, and any unique things that you may want for your travel experience. Okay guys, see you in the next video.